Need a wireless charger? I got you. What's up guys, my name is Mario and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. The peeps over at myhypergear.com sent me over a bunch of wireless chargers. It's called the Wireless ChargePad Pro and all these different cool colors. Let's go check them out. To find out how you can win this, stay tuned till the end. So right off the bat, it's a up to 15 watt wireless charging. So if you have a Samsung that charges wirelessly up to 15 watts, this will charge it for you. It is 7.5 watts for the Apple because of course Apple regulates the charging. It's compatible with any wireless charging device, iPhones, Samsung, anything that's wireless, your earbuds, your AirPods, this will charge them. This is part 1 of 3. Part 1 is going to be the unboxing. Let's go. Let's go. Charge pad, wireless charger. It's vented. Got a rubber grip. Comes with the micro USB cable, a wall adapter, which most of these don't come with wall adapters. So this is a nice one, and it's fast charged. So here it is, and boom. If you like this product, go check them out at myhypergear.com. Currently, this product is priced out at $39.99, but if you use my coupon code MMTR25, you'll get 25% off your purchase. And guess what? They have Afterpay, so you can also make it in payments. Boom. What is there to think about? Go get yours now. So you guys want to know how to win this stuff? Guess what? All you gotta do is like and follow. And then stay tuned until we get to 1,000 subscribers. So once we get to 1,000, we're gonna have a live event and we're gonna be doing a lot of giveaways. All right guys, so stay tuned for part 2 where we put these guys to the test.